But that's not like him at all.
Do not spit on me.
What?
What is your problem?
Why are you trying to spit on me?
I'm gonna tase you! I will tase you! I will tase you!
What?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I will tase you! I will tase you!
What?
Stay down!
On November 13th, 2022, Florida officers responded to a bar disturbance call involving a male patron in acute behavioral crisis. This footage was captured on an Axon Body 3 camera and raises 3 distinct legal questions worth examining closely. First, was the initial detention lawful? Under Terry v. Ohio, an investigatory stop requires reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Officers arrived with dispatch information describing property destruction, crowd endangerment, and a false gas emergency. That clears the Terry threshold without question.
No. Right?
Yes.
Hey, what's going on, bro? Here, just have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat, sir. Have a seat.
For
Stay
what?
back. Stay back. Have a seat.
For what?
Have a seat.
Hey, honey, there's a curb right there.
Have a seat.
For what?
6645 Old Station. Have a seat right now.
Station.
Have a seat. Right now.
Stave
Have a
station.
seat, sir.
What do you got?
Have a seat. I'm
Grab
gonna tase
it.
you. I will tase
Grab
you.
it.
I will tase you.
What?
Stay down. 6645 Taser Ford. Get on your face. Get on your face. Lay down. I'll tase you again, bro.
For what? For love?
Get on your face.
Yeah. But what has that really meant?
Get on your face. Lay down. Stay back. Oh, I thought I
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Second, was the taser deployment constitutionally permissible? Graham versus Connor establishes that force must be objectively reasonable from the officer's on-scene perspective, not evaluated in hindsight. Courts apply 3 factors: the severity of the crime, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting or evading. All 3 are satisfied here. The crime disorderly conduct, escalating to physical resistance, was active. The threat was demonstrated by the subject's flight and noncompliance. Active evasion of a lawful command constitutes resistance under established Fourth Amendment jurisprudence. Under Florida Statute Section 776.05, officers are authorized to use force reasonably necessary to effect a lawful detention or arrest. The taser deployment falls squarely within that authorization. Third, and most overlooked, the subject's attempt to spit on an officer constitutes a separate criminal act. Under Florida Statute Section 784.07, intentional spitting on a law enforcement officer is battery on a law enforcement officer a third-degree felony. The on-camera conduct, confirmed by officer statements referencing a kick to a partner, would have supported a felony charge independent of the disorderly conduct arrest.
Hands.
Hey.
Hands behind your back. Okay, we're gonna roll you to your side.
Okay.
6645 1 to 10.
Oh, so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I get it.
Alright, roll over to your side, okay? Roll towards me.
What's this?
Bring your knees up to your chest. Bring your knees up to your chest.
Okay. Hello. Hello.
Go ahead.
I'm so sorry.
Can you stand up? Yeah. Hey, man, stand up. All right, everyone, let's stand up. Hey, grab these ropes.
That's nice. That's nice.
I love you.
Did you taste all?
No.
Hmm?
You do both?
Just press the trigger once.
I'm sorry.
Oh, we're good. All right, let's stand up.
Okay.
He's got
I
one.
didn't know.
Please don't. Please don't.
Alright, stand up. Stand up. Ready? 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Good job, man.
Oh,
Alright.
I'm so sorry.
Let's go talk to the
I'm
ambulance.
so sorry.
Okay. Well, they need to check you out. Hey, stop spitting.
No.
Let's walk over here.
Oh,
Come on.
I give everything. Is that? Okay, I'm sorry. Why? Okay.
Why
No.
are you?
You gotta get in here and get checked out.
No.
Do you want to bring him out or do you want him in there?
We'll bring them. We're just checking. Are we transporting them?
Just checking him.
We'll bring them on our here and you can just have a seat.
Let's sit right here. Turn around, pop squat.
Ah.
Just gonna get a blood pressure, right, bud?
You guys.
I like you, man.
I like you
Thanks
too.
for
I'm
listening.
sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
What's going on?
What have you been drinking tonight, man? Too much of the good stuff, am I right? Huh?
No.
No?
No. I love you guys.
Did he have an ID on him?
You got ID on you, buddy?
Yeah, I gave it to you.
Do you have it?
I don't have it.
Yeah.
Do you have ID on you, bro?
There's a wallet over here.
I gotta write some kind of medical report on him just to check them out.
Yeah.
Yep. Ah.
It started as a fire call. I'm not quite sure how this is gonna.
No.
It said there's a gas
Come
leak or
on.
something?
What? Yeah, it got called out as a gas.
What? You alright? We're gonna check you out, bro. Alright, you're good.
Please save us.
What's up?
Is that you that was over here?
Yeah.
We pulled out like we were getting our gloves on. We were like running over there and you popping with the taser. Like,
I was not messing.
yeah. We watched the whole thing. We're like, yep, that just happened.
Dang. Please don't fucking me so, man.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I love you.
I love you, man. I don't even know your name. What's your name?
I love you guys.
Real quick, I just showed up right when this all happened. Oh yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
Oh,
Sorry, I'm not trying to make a
No, you're
noise.
good.
I just showed up right when all this was going on. I talked to somebody inside. They said that he was fine. Went to his bar, said that he was going to take a nap. Came back and was acting crazy. So whatever he did is in his fault.
What's in his car?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Okay.
Like
You
I
know
literally,
him?
I've seen him here before, but I literally showed up right when the chairs
you
were
were
being
standing right
thrown, and then
Oh, he's the chairs?
yeah, apparently.
I've just been here all the time. She would probably know.
And then
Okay.
I walked out with Eve because that's my truck over there, and he was over there.
Uh-huh.
She was going to talk to him. I didn't want her to go alone. I
Does
used
he
to
use
work here.
narcotics or anything?
I don't know. But that's
If
not
you
like him at
spit-
all.
Do not spit on me.
What?
What is your problem?
Why are you trying to spit on me?
Roll it to the side.
I'm sorry.
He's done.
Man, this PP's probably going
I'm
to
sorry.
It's tough.
I thought you said you were gonna be cool, bro.
I was.
No,
You
you
real
were for like 5 seconds.
You're about to spit right in my face. Why would you do that?
I wasn't.
That's nasty.
The subject was charged only with disorderly conduct under Florida Statute, Section 877.03, and received 6 months probation. That statute requires conduct that corrupts public morals, outrages public decency, or affects the peace and quiet of persons who witness it, including fighting or behavior likely to cause a breach of the peace. The bartender's on-camera account growling, property destruction, a bar evacuation, and bulldozing through customers satisfies every element of that statute. The charge is legally sound. The probationary outcome, however, raises a charging consistency question. Kicking an officer and attempting to spit, both captured on camera, represent conduct well above the disorderly conduct threshold. Whether the decision not to pursue battery on a law enforcement officer reflects prosecutorial discretion, a plea negotiation, or a documentation lapse cannot be determined from this footage alone. But the pattern matters. Undercharging use of force on officer conduct creates inconsistent accountability standards and can disincentivize officer reporting in future incidents.
Ow! I'm sorry.
What I understand is there
He's gotta just go.
Yeah, I've never seen him like that in my entire life.
Every night. And nothing like this ever happened.
No, because it doesn't happen. And he's always nice. He goes and like drives. He's nice. He helps out. He sticks up for other people. He takes, not to my knowledge ever.
Where's his car?
He takes other people home. He's like the sober guy who's like, oh, I'll give you a ride home. One of the other people told me he was in here with his girlfriend earlier.
Help me.
They had words. It didn't get
Help
violent,
me.
but she left. And then when he came back in, he was like distraught. Like, I don't know if they broke up or something happened, but it seems like whatever happened with them. No, she left. They said she left, and then he came back in and was distraught because she left.
I still want to ask if you took anything before.
I've never ever seen him.
He said he came out to the car.
Hey,
Please.
did you take any drugs tonight? Did you take any drugs?
No.
No? Okay.
I was just trying
So I'm
to
trying
go
no, because I'm trying to figure out why you're acting all like this. Because you're not letting the medics check.
Bed.
Well, you shouldn't be acting like a fool if you're trying to go to bed.
Why did I go to bed for you? I just want to go to
Did
sleep.
you hear Taser crutches is back then?
I just want to go to sleep.
They took our Taser things.
I just want to go to sleep. I like you.
I like you too, bro.
That's real?
Well, I don't like when you came at me and kicked my partner, but otherwise, I think you're alright guy.
I like you for who you are.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So they were scared. That's why we were actually.
Are you on
I didn't
anything,
even
bro?
know that at first.
No.
No?
I called
Okay.
911 because
Do you do any drugs?
No.
You're not going to get arrested for doing drugs.
Yeah.
We just need to know for... Yeah, he's shy. He's not getting arrested for doing
I'll set you in the car, okay? To get you off this hard ground.
I love you guys.
Well, we appreciate you. Just respect us. We'll respect you.
You
Okay?
take care of me.
All right, let's go sit in here. You get him pat down real good?
I'm sorry.
You checked him real good?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead and have
I'm
a seat.
sorry.
Watch his head up.
Alright, stay sitting up, okay?
You got it, baby.
Alright. You're the bartender?
Yes.
Can I just hear from you what happened this side? Have clarity.
So he was cool. He was chilling. The next thing I know, I keep my back door locked. Right outside of my back door, I have like a gas tank, or is it CO2?
It's CO2.
So I thought it was gas, so it was my bad. But so he's like trying to bust out my back door. He unlocks them. When he gets out there, he pushed the CO2 tank over, and we thought it was gas. So off rip, I told everyone, I was like, get out. You know what I mean? And then he was coming back through and like bulldozing his way over, pushing over chairs and stuff. And he came outside and he tried to like push in our door and stuff, you know? And that's when he came out here and people tried to bring him water, help him and everything. At that point, I was like, I just gotta go.
Was he acting belligerent
Like he had
at
a
that
big
point, too?
temperature.
No, I mean, when he got outside, yeah, but before that, he was fine. It was like a switch in like
It's
2
empty,
minutes.
but
He
it's
came in and was
okay.
like growling.
Yeah.
And someone was like, yo,
So he
dude.
walked
It was
outside,
full,
comes
it's
back
empty,
in,
because
and then
it-
Well, I don't know if he walked back inside or not. I don't know. Even
So
though,
out here, that's when he started growling.
no, he was inside in my bar ground. And that's when he walked out my back door because someone was like, yo, dude, you're good. Yeah, push it. And that's out back. And then he came all the way back in through the back door, out the front door. And that's when he came out here. And I'll probably all seen him over there sitting there. Because another off-duty bartender that works with us, she came over and tried to bring him water. She's like, he's going too crazy. I'm not dealing with that.
Okay, so let me recap it real quick. He's
Yep.
in there.
Yep.
He tries to break out. He starts growling when he's inside.
Yep.
And he goes out the back door, pushes CO2 over, you get everybody out.
Yep.
He's just being belligerent. Did he like hit anybody?
He didn't necessarily hit people. He like moved his way out. Like he was pushing chairs and like you can see we had this big tall heater that he like pushed over and was trying to like push my walls. And you can see like that's dented and stuff, but he didn't physically hurt nobody. He was just like hitting stuff. Almost like a tantrum, like.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
This wasn't improvised. Let's examine what the law authorizes and what it doesn't. The responding officers receive a B. Legally, the detention and taser deployment were justified. Tactically, the transition from force to welfare management was textbook EMS coordination, positional asphyxia prevention, and the countdown stand-up technique reflect genuine training. The deduction comes from two sources: tactical crossfire risk during the taser sequence and the apparent failure to escalate the battery conduct into a documented felony charge. The subject receives a C+. His conduct inside the bar established probable cause independently. Flight from lawful commands, physical contact with officers, and the spitting attempt each created separate criminal exposure. Post-taser compliance and verbal acknowledgement of wrongdoing are mitigating factors. They prevented a moderate use of force incident from escalating further. The anomalous nature of the behavior, confirmed by 3 witnesses, is legally irrelevant to the arrest but relevant to sentencing, which the court reflected. The department receives a B-. Officer conduct on scene demonstrated adequate training and proportional force application. The deduction is structural. No visible charging protocol for on-camera felony conduct against officers signals a gap in post-incident documentation standards. The key takeaway from this incident involves what happens after force is used. Taser deployment ends a physical threat. It does not end legal exposure. Any conduct occurring after arrest that constitutes an independent offense must be documented separately and submitted for charging consideration. Officers who absorb battery kicks, bites, spitting without formal documentation are not just forfeiting their own legal protection. They are removing accountability from the record entirely. Documentation is not punitive. It is the factual record that protects both the officer and the integrity of the judicial process. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.